So the work is called We Oh So Clean, Revisited, and it's a revision of a earlier work that was done in 2010 from the Fambily Series, and it's Fambily with a B, which plays on Jamaican slang, particularly dance hall slang and trends. So the work we're looking at behind us is this massive work. It's approximately 8 feet by about 9 feet from the image itself, and it's a mixed media tapestry, mixed media photo tapestry, and the image has been embellished with rhinestones, glitter, fabrics, and flowers. So there's tons of bling. And so the work in general explores ideas about masculinity and how the masculine is constructed, particularly within popular culture. And I'm using dancehall space, which is Jamaican popular culture, as the platform for the conversation. So dancehall space has always been an incredibly macho space, and in this space, the masculine is morphing, and a lot of the change is happening because of the trends that, like larger international trends that had started in the beginning of the millennium, which is metrosexuality. So here it is, we have a reconceptualizing of what the masculine is within a space that is considered to be a homophobic space. To see the feminine kind of superimposed on the masculine canvas or the masculine slate then begins to change these kinds of understandings. So it raises questions then in many ways about what is now being understood as being masculine. The Fambily Series in particular also explores the gang structures and looks at gang hierarchy. I believe that gang space is also another kind of space where men learn to assert themselves in the macho, and that's also a space within which they begin to understand a certain kind of masculinity. So in the image, we have a kind of father figure, we have children, and then we have these other adults. So seeing the children in relation, these male children in relation to these adult males, there also becomes a question of who is the surrogate father, who or is it even the real father, and then how roles of how do these kids then in relation to these males then begin to see themselves and construct their own masculinity?